Hey, what's up y'all? It's your girl TheKeyisME and I am back again with another video. In this video I'm going to be showing you my clip-in, my curly curl clip-in that I got from Amazing Beauty Hair Extensions. They contacted me to review their curly clip-ins, and I honestly gotta say y'all, I've never ever experienced hair like this. This hair is on another level. Like, I don't even know how to explain it. Like, you can see it for yourself. You can really see it for yourself. Like, look at it. Oh my gosh. So I'm gonna insert some clips in. I went ahead and I braided all of my hair now. So yes, my hair is braided. Now in the front, I do have some of my hair left out. And I went ahead and I blended that with the curly extensions. Now you'll see here when I insert these clips, then I'm just starting with some cornrows going straight back. Please excuse my struggle braids. As y'all know, I always say it before, I don't really know how to braid to the scalp that good, especially with my nails on. So please excuse my struggle braids. But as you can see, I just braided them straight back. Make sure that I moisturize my hair, you guys. Make sure that you moisturize your hair when you're doing protective styling. So I went ahead and I braided them straight back. I pinned them in the back. And as you can see, I'm starting with the clip-ins. Now they come with 4, 2 3s, 3 2s, and 1. It's a 7-piece. I could be wrong, but I'm gonna insert everything down in the description box, but it's a 7-piece in each set. Now I got a 18 and a 20-inch. I went ahead and I put the 18-inch in the back and I put the 20-inch on the top to give it a natural flow. So as you can see, I'm showing you, you just kind of clip them open, you clip them onto your hair, and then you close it shut. Now these clip-ins are so secure, you guys. Like, I'm not even kidding you. But I'm going to go ahead and fast forward the way that I'm putting the clip-ins in. I'm sorry, I don't know if I can give you a really detailed video on how to put clip-ins in because it's so easy. You kind of just clip it to your braid. You make sure that it's open first. You make sure that the clip is open. You clip it to your braid and then you close it shut. It's really just that simple. There's no tricks, no gimmicks. It's really just that simple. I opted out of blending my whole natural hair with the clip-ins because my hair is so thick. As y'all seen before, my hair is so thick and it's so kinky to the point where I would literally have to wake up every morning and try to blend it in with the actual hair extensions. I didn't want to do that. When I get up in the morning, it's time for me to go to work. I want to just spray a little bit of water on the hair and just keep it moving. I don't want to have to go through and spend 30 minutes to an hour trying to blend my natural hair with the curly hair. So that's the reason why I opted out of just braiding my hair back and just blending my leave out with the curly hair. As you can see, like I said before, that's a 7-piece, so you kind of want to just mirror it in between each one. I think I did the two finger width apart for each one. So you want to just go ahead and just clip them on. I mean, some of them they're gonna kind of overlap, because I think when I got to one point I only had one clip, so it was a little small little piece. Just went ahead and added that to like another 2-piece clip. So you know, you just use it at your discretion. These clip ends are very secure. I've said it before, they're very secure. Now, as you can see, when I put the hair in, this hair was straight. When I put the hair in, it was straight from being washed and conditioned. So I didn't try to define the curls. So as you can see, this is what the natural curl is. I didn't put any product on the hair. So what you're seeing in my clips is what the actual hair looks like after I washed and conditioned it and it dried a little bit. And as you can see, I went ahead and I blended my hair with some Eco Styler gel. Now, I had already had leave-in conditioner on my hair already. And I believe the leave-in conditioner that I used was by Garnier Fructis. I could be wrong, but I'll show you. And I let my hair dry. So when I went ahead and I blended my hair in, I blended it in with Eco Styler gel. What's going on here? What's going on right now? What is the problem? Tell me the problem. I said a lot, girl. Can't be with my always been on my head. And what you're seeing now is actually the hair spritz with water and conditioner, as well as Eco Styler gel. So I went ahead and I defined the curls. So I went ahead and defined the curls with Eco Styler gel, conditioner, water, and used my Demi brush and the wide tooth comb that it came with. So the conditioner that I use is by Cantu. It is for natural hair and it's the Hydrating Cream Conditioner. The Eco Styler gel that I use is the olive oil Eco Styler gel. So it's the one in the green top, the one in the green bottle with the green top. And then I also mixed in a little bit of the Cantu Hydrating Leave-In Conditioning Mist, which is like a water-based conditioner. A water-based leave-in conditioner. As well as, I said, a wide tooth comb that came in my box with my hair, and my Demi brush. Now, I got this Demi brush from Amazon. I'll try to link it below if I can find it, but this is my go-to for anything that has to do with curly hair when it's not synthetic. As well as a regular spray bottle that I just put some warm water in, and I got this spray bottle from Walmart for probably like $1. The hair did come with the hair, of course, individually packaged, a wide tooth comb, some extra clip-ins just in case yours may come off your track, as well as some lashes. And they also gave you a pamphlet and a manual letting you know how to care for the hair. Now, ladies, this is kinky curly hair. I hate when I see people talk about curly hair frizzing or curly hair getting tangled. It's curly hair. It's naturally going to get tangled. You're naturally going to get some type of shedding. You're naturally going to get that from curly hair. Like, even with my natural hair sheds a lot. It gets tangled a lot. I mean, not to the point where I'm losing all my hair, but that's just the territory that comes with natural hair. Now, with this hair, you can wake up and go with the hair. Today, I did have to refreshen it because it looked a little dry, but that was because I was working out. Yesterday, I was kind of laying on it. 18-inch is $107, and the 20-inch is $117. Y'all, when I tell y'all, don't even think about the price. This hair in itself, I mean, look at it. I've never experienced hair like this ever. This is some good hair, okay? Look at it, y'all. I get so many compliments. People think that this is my hair. I'm starting to believe that this is my hair too. Like, Y'all can't tell me this ain't my hair. And then look at the way that it's blended with my natural hair. Y'all can't tell me this ain't my hair. Now you see a little bit of shine and stuff to it because I did add a little bit of oil to my natural hair, and I did put some more gel on it this morning. So thank you again, Amazing Beauty Hair Extensions, for sending me this hair. I'm going to go ahead and put all of their information down in the description box, so make sure you check them out, as well as the $10 off if you would like to purchase this hair. Thank you again for tuning into this video. If you could please like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.
Can't waste any time at all. You can tell me anything you want, I'll forget about it. Tell me what you want, anything, I'll do best without it. I can't tell what happened last night. Did I act out?